Hello everyone, myself Gayatri Nath. Welcome to the class of Principles of Inheritance and Variation. So in today's class we will discuss about some of the problems related to human ABO blood group type. Okay, so basically ये एक रिवीजन क्लास है जहाँ पे हम कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे. So the human blood group is ABO type, which is an example of codominance and multiple allelism. It is an example of codominance because two dominant alleles can express themselves together, and it is an example of multiple allelism because in human ABO blood group there are more than two alleles are present. Okay, and the human blood group is controlled by the gene I. Okay, this gene I has three alleles, IA, IB and IO, which is also can be represented as small I. Okay, IA and IB are dominant over IO, which is the recessive allele. Okay, and in an individual only two of these alleles can be present. So इस हिसाब से अगर हम लोग देखें तो different combinations होगा. They will be this IA, IA, IAI, IBIB, IBI, IAIB and small I. Okay, so these are the different genotypical combination and these are the phenotype, means the blood group type. Okay, so based on these human blood group, genotype and blood group type, we will solve some of the problems. Okay, so the first question is, if a man with blood group O marries a woman with blood group AB, what will be the possible genotypes and phenotypes of the offspring? Okay, so in this question it is given that the blood group of man is O, means genotype hoga small I, and the blood group of woman is AB, means genotype hoga IAIB. Okay, so to solve this type of problem we need to know the symbols used to represent male and female. So this is the symbol of female and this is the symbol for male. Okay, so at first we have to write the blood group of parent. So we know this is the symbol of male, means the blood group of male or the man is O and the blood group of female is AB. Okay, then we need to write the genotype. Genotype of O is small I, genotype of AB is IAIB. Okay, then the gametes. So it is homozygous, means दोनों एलील सेम है तो इससे एक ही टाइप का गैमेट होगा, which is small I, and here both the alleles are different, so there will be two different gametes. Okay, IA and IB. Then we need to cross this male gamete with the female gamete. Okay, so there will be two different cross. One will be small I with IA and another will be I with IB. Okay, so after that the offspring will have the genotype IAI and IBI. Okay, so क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया था कि पॉसिबल जेनोटाइप्स एंड फेनोटाइप्स ऑफ द ऑफस्प्रिंग क्या है. तो जेनोटाइप ऑफ द ऑफस्प्रिंग विल बी IAI एंड IBI, एंड व्हाट विल बी द फेनोटाइप. IAI का फेनोटाइप होगा A ब्लड ग्रुप एंड IBI का फेनोटाइप होगा B ब्लड ग्रुप. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So the question is, a child has blood group O if the father has blood group A and the mother's blood group is B. Work out the genotypes of the parents and the possible genotypes of the other offspring. Okay, so here the blood group of one child is given, that is O, and we know the genotype of O blood group is small I. Also the blood group of both the parent is given, but the genotype is not mentioned here. So we need to find out the genotypes of the parents and also the possible genotypes of the other offspring. Okay, so we know the blood group of parent and one of the child. So as the child is with blood group O, that means the child has the genotype small I, and these small I means both the I will come from both the parent. Okay, means both the parent must have one small I in their blood group. That means they must be heterozygous. Okay, so with this hypothesis we will start to solve the problem. So for this we will draw a Punnett square. Okay, and in either of the side we will draw the symbol. This is the symbol for male and this is the symbol for female. So the blood group of the father means the blood group of the male is A. So we will take the A as heterozygous. So we will write as IA and small I. ठीक है, जो ये दो बॉक्स में अलग अलग करके हम ब्लड ग्रुप का एलील को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. एंड सिमिलरली फॉर द फीमेल और फॉर द मदर द हेटेरोजाइगस genotype of B is IB and small I. Okay, then we will find the blood group of other offspring. So you can see first one will be IA and IB. This box is connected with this and this. Okay, so ये दोनों एलील को अगर हम लोग मिला दे then जो genotype form होगा it will be IA and IB. This box is connected with this and this. So the group of in this group is IBI. Again for this box will be this I and IA, that is IAI. And here you can see that this I and this small I will be the II. Okay, so this is the blood group of the child which is already given in the question. This one, okay, the child with blood group O. So the answer for this question is the genotype of the parent which is IAI and IBI, and the genotypes of other offspring which are these three. Okay, so genotype of father is IAI and genotype of mother is IBI, and genotype of other offspring are IAIB. Okay, means AB blood group, IBI means B blood group, and IAI which means the A blood group. Okay, so let's see the next question, which is what will be the blood group of offspring if the mother is homozygous type A blood group and the father is type O. Okay, so it is very simple question. यहाँ पे mother का blood group दिया है homozygous A. Homozygous A means both the alleles are same. That means IAIA. And the blood group of father is O, and we know O is also a homozygous. Okay, and it will be represented as II, small I, small I. Okay, so genotype of mother, genotype of father. Okay, we have to write this. Then we will solve it using the Punnett square. So in one side we will represent the female, and in other side we will represent the male. So for the female the alleles are IA, and for the male the alleles are small I, small I. Then we will set the means genotype of the offspring, and they will be IA, small IA, small I, and all the four offspring's genotype are same. Okay, so that means the blood group of all the offspring will be same, which is IAI. Okay, that means the blood group will be A. Okay, next question is, a man with AB blood group marries a woman with heterozygous B blood group. What are the possible genotypes and phenotypes of their children? So here the blood group of the man is AB means the genotype will be IA, IB, and the blood group of the woman is B, and it is written that heterozygous B. Heterozygous means IB and I, means both the alleles are not same. जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे प्लीज फोकस on the term heterozygous and homozygous. Okay, so we know the genotype of both the man and woman, and we need to find out the genotype and phenotypes of their children. Okay, so the genotype of man is IA, IB, and genotype of the woman is IBI. Then again we will draw a Punnett square, and in either of the side we will represent the male and female. Okay, ये कोई फिक्स नहीं है, किसी भी साइड में कोई भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो. ओके, सो यहाँ पे इस तरफ किया गया है मेल, सो वी विल राइट द गैमेट्स फॉर द मेल इन दिस साइड. तो मेल का ब्लड ग्रुप है AB, मीन्स द गैमेट्स आर IA एंड IB. और इस तरफ हम लोग ने फीमेल को रिप्रेजेंट किया है, तो फीमेल का ब्लड ग्रुप है हेटेरोजाइगस B, तो गैमेट्स से IB एंड I. ओके, फिर जो ये बॉक्सेस है इसको हम फिलअप करेंगे यूजिंग दिस गैमेट्स. सो यहाँ पे होगा IA एंड IB, this will be IB and IB. Okay, and this will be IA small I, and this will be IB and small I. Okay, so these are the four means genotype of the children. Okay, so genotype of children are IA, IB, 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 IAI and IBI. And if we get the genotype, we will find the phenotype also. So IAIB means AB blood group, IBIB means B blood group, IAI means A blood group, and IBI means B blood group. Okay, so here will be 2 B blood group and 1 AB and A. Okay, और इसको हम लोग अदर वे में भी कह सकते हैं कि 50% will be B blood group and 25% AB and other 25% is A blood group. Okay, so that's all for today. We have discussed 4 different problems related to ABO blood group type. Okay, so thank you.